Hello and thank you for tuning in to Buyer's Guide. Niresh, the owner of a 2020 Kia Rio with approximately 40,000 kilometers on the clock. He was told during the car's fourth service that moisture was found on the plugs, though it's unclear if they were referring to the spark plugs or just the plugs on the wires. While the technicians cleaned the plugs and didn't recommend replacement, Niresh seeks advice on whether this moisture is normal and if the spark plugs might need replacement soon. You know, Mumbo, I don't know about you and what you see in your workshop, but regularly I've told clients, it doesn't matter if the engine is slightly dirty, but with the modern cars, taking a high pressure hose and just spraying the engine just because you like a clean engine is a no-no.
Definitely.
I don't know. I do it every day. We never have problems.
Whether idling or not.
Never problems.
You know why? You know how to wash it. Yeah.
You know what to stay away.
You know what to cover, you know what to stay away from.
Let's get back to the question.
Yeah.
Let's assume there are spark plugs and they had moisture on it.
So with regards to Niresh, only three contaminants can make moisture on the spark plugs. It's your coolant, it's your fuel, as well as oil. So he can also diagnose the vehicle himself, believe it or not. He can drive his vehicle and see.
Don't recommend that.
wait. No, it's a dummy-proof way to diagnose your vehicle yourself. If you do suspect that moisture is coming into your combustion chamber, just watch and see if you're getting a shortage of coolant, maybe after 500 Ks, or a shortage of oil, and you don't know where it's going after 500 Ks, then that moisture could be coming from your oil or your coolant.
I mean, in terms of the spark plugs on that car, I mean, again, at some stage you could have been driving through rain, can come through into the engine compartment, a little bit of moisture can get on the spark plugs. It's not a problem. Do you need to replace them because they have moisture on them? Yes and no.
It's advisable, but not necessary.
But this is for all our viewers. If you have a problem like this and you're at the dealer, ask them for their advice, because and you make things clear, because like we're not too sure, are you talking about spark plugs or are you talking about the electrical connections, because you get plugs that join the wiring harnesses that get sometimes moisture in them through rain, through washing engines and so forth. So you need to clarify with the dealer what the problem is. Ask them, because they're there on your car working. They know exactly. We're here and we are taking some thak idea of what you're telling us about. So I don't think it's an issue. And if spark plugs are so cheap that, should I change them? Shouldn't I change them? Change the damn thing.
Change the damn spark plugs.
Simple as that.
If it is spark plugs.
Yeah, a couple $100,
I would have recommended to change the spark plugs and then monitor on the next service.
Yeah, sometimes you want to tell your technicians, just don't tell the customer too much useless information. Your spark plugs are wet, the guy panics. Just leave it out. Fine. We dry them, it's fine.